My goodness, horrible. A global disease, pandemic, demonstrates the independence of human being and the waves of life in which they exist. Nature is sending us some messages, my dear friends. What are we really learning? I do not know. We are going down somewhere. In spite of taking lots of efforts, what we have not done till today, we are trying our level best to protect the community. We are trying our level best to protect the environment, the world environment, the global environment. It is not a specific environment for any state or for any nation. It is the environment for each one of us. And we are facing lots of problems, my dear friends. So, considering the theme on biodiversity, because it is the most important theme which I am feeling like to speak about. So friends, understand, biodiversity is the variability of living things, from plants to animals to fungi and bacteria, and genetic diversity found among them, that makes up life on earth, which we are seeing all across, that greenery, the flora and the fauna, what we are not seeing, my dear friends. It all includes the ecosystem. It is nothing but the ocean, forest, mountains, environment and coral reefs, housing about 8 million species on earth. But what is happening today? Everything is going down somewhere. There are devastating effects, which is because of our faults. The faults created by the human beings. And my dear friends, we need to take a lot of precautions. We need to take the corrective actions. We need to take the preventive actions. We need to do something different for our environment. Yes, my dear friend, healthy ecosystem rich with biodiversity are essential to human existence. The clean air, purify water, ensure availability of nutritious foods, nature-based medicines and raw materials, and reduce the occurrence of disasters, my dear friends. However, 1 million plants and animal species are facing extinction, completely gone. Every species plays an important role in keeping an ecosystem balanced and healthy. What are we understanding out of this? What kind of a care we are taking? I do not know. To what extent we are supporting this ecosystem? And that is your, mine, and each and every one who is connected with this environment, that is his responsibility and accountability. Feel like, yes, this is my responsibility.